Handbags here, and welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here and you have not yet already subscribed, please go ahead and click the subscribe button. It's absolutely free to you. And to all my returning subscribers, welcome back to another unboxing. Today guys, I am going to be doing an unboxing from QVC, and it is a brand that we all are familiar with. Now this brand is new to my collection, and it is a brand that I have been looking at for a little while now, and just trying to decide what silhouette I want from this particular handbag brand. And so I finally picked up 2 bags from this brand. So let's go ahead and jump straight into the unboxing. Now, I will put the unboxing up somewhere on the screen for you guys. And while it is unboxing, I just wanted to go ahead and quickly tell you guys about the brand. So it is Patricia Nash, and I am super excited to finally have 2 bags from Patricia Nash in my collection. And both of these bags are a denim bag, and I have been talking about growing my denim handbag collection as well too. And so I finally was able to pick up 2 bags from Patricia Nash in her denim collection, and both of these bags are hobo bags, guys. So let me go ahead and reveal to you guys the bag. Now I will say this before I reveal the bag, that one of the bags was an as-is bag from QVC. And if you're familiar with QVC, most of their as-is bags is either, it may have some minor defects on the bag, or it's just not in factory wrapping. And so I was a little nervous about it. As you guys can see, both of the bags came in a bag itself, so I really didn't know what to expect. But the second bag that I picked up wasn't an as-is, because I did pay the sale price for it. So yeah, let me go ahead and stop rambling and share with you guys the bags that I picked up. So the first pick, well, I should say the first bag that I did pick up is this one, and it is the Patricia Nash Cavo tooled denim collection is what they're calling it. And I believe this is the Ella, if I'm not mistaken. Now this one was not my first pick, it was my second pick, but when I went to purchase the bag, all of them were sold out except for this one. This was my as-is bag, and I was a little nervous about it, but because it was denim, guys, I just figured that if there was like some kind of mark or something on the bag, I could probably just wipe it out and it wouldn't be any problems. My only major concern was, did the bag have any like rip or tears? And when I gave it a 180, it was perfectly fine. So I am super excited about that. And I decided to, an hour later, go back on QVC to see if, you know, they had restocked or if any other bags came back in stock. And lo and behold, the one that I wanted, which is this gorgeous bag, which is their light denim patchwork. This bag came available, and so did all the other ones. Now, as of today, which is Saturday, June the 14th, they have 5 colors available, and I believe the 5 colors is the solid light wash denim. They have the black patchwork, which I'm thinking about picking up. And then they also have the pink Cavo tooled, I believe. Biscuit is another Cavo tool that they have, as well as the dark denim. So the dark denim Cavo tool. So those are the 5 bags that's available. If you are wanting to pick up this beautiful bag, it is not available on the site anymore. I did pick up this one on sale at the time for $129, and then this one I picked up for $77. Now currently the 5 colors that they do have available right now is going for $109, so still a really great sale price if you wanted to pick up either one of the colors that are still available. Now that black patchwork, your girl is considering, because I don't actually have a black denim bag in my collection at all. So I may end up going back and picking that up. And like I said, the price, you can't beat it. So let's go ahead and get into the details of these bags, guys. So on the dark denim, this one does come with that full leather buckle on the front. I love that brushed gold hardware on there, just absolutely gorgeous. And the tulle detailing on here is just so pretty on this bag. Like, I am so loving that, guys. Now on the light wash patch denim one, it does come with the buckle detailing on the front as well too, but the buckles on this one, you can unloose and cinch it in some more if you wanted to. I tried it, didn't really like the way that it looks, so I just put it back on the regular setting. But yeah, you do have that option if you wanted to do that. Now I will say that one thing I didn't notice that this bag had, well, two things I didn't notice this bag had until I actually got them, was the fact that, one, it does come with feet on the bottom. So you guys know I absolutely love a bag with feet on the bottom. So both bags have feet on the bottom. And then it also comes with side zipper pockets. So you get one on each side. And I absolutely love that detail, and it kind of reminds me of, you know, an actual pair of denim jeans. So I absolutely love that. They are functional side pockets as well too, guys. So you can put your cell phone in there. I have a Samsung Note 10, so mine fits in there and zips up. And it doesn't take away from the real estate in the inside of the bag, so I love that. Now, as far as the shoulder strap goes on these ones, they do not detach and they are not adjustable, guys. But I'm going to show you guys that it does pass the elbow test for me, so I can fit it on and off with ease. So yeah, it fits me fine. I have kind of big arms, so they do fit on me with no issue, and I absolutely love that. Now the other thing about the bag is it does come with a back zipper compartment, and like I said, I have a Samsung Note 10 and mine fits in here and zips up with no problem. And the back zipper compartment, it goes all the way to the bottom of the bag, so you can definitely fit a good amount of items in that back zipper compartment. Now this does come with the top zipper closure. So let's go ahead and take a quick peek in the inside. Now one of the things that I do love about Patricia Nash bags as well too is they all come with that brown faux leather lining. You do get a Patricia Nash dust bag for each of the bags, so I absolutely love that as well too. Now in this particular one, you do get your back zipper compartment, and then you get your Patricia Nash full leather stamp here on the back, or patch I should say, here on the back wall. And then on the front wall, you do get the scrunchy pockets. I love that, y'all. I just love how the pockets kind of have that scrunchy effect on the front. So you do get two slip pockets in here as well. And you do get a good bit of room in this hobo bag. One of the things that I absolutely love about this hobo bag, y'all, is the slouch. Do y'all see that? I love this slouch on this hobo bag. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love how nice and squishy it is. Like, I love a good slouchy hobo bag, and Patricia Nash did it with this denim one. Y'all, all I can say is I am so glad I was able to pick up this bag and add it to my denim collection. This is a gorgeous bag, and I would definitely recommend it. Now on the patchwork one, the back is just that solid light wash denim, but on the front you do get that patchwork detail on the front. Absolutely love it, y'all. So gorgeous. So yeah, let's go over the measurements of the bag really quickly, guys. So the handle drop on here is 13 inches according to the website. And then as far as the height of the bag goes, it is 10 and a half. And the length of the bag is 11 and 3/4. And then the width of the bag is 3.5 inches as well. And as far as the weight of the bag goes, it's a very lightweight bag. So according to the website, it is 1.18 pounds, so super light. If you're like me and you carry a lot of items, just know you're definitely going to have to downsize when it comes to packing this bag, but not by a lot, y'all. So I absolutely love that about this particular bag, guys. So yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So I will go ahead and show you the dark denim up close as well too. So same side pockets on the side. You do still get the 4 feet as well. The buckle detailing. Now the shoulder scrap on here is different. It's like that faux leather, so you don't get that denim shoulder scrap on here, but same thing. It fits on me with no issue. It definitely passes the elbow test. And I love the fact that she went with this brown color interior, so you can definitely see your items in the interior of the bag, and there's not one big black hole. So both of these bags, y'all, are absolutely gorgeous. I am super excited to have 2 more denim bags to my collection. So yeah, if you guys are interested, I will make sure to leave the information for the bag down below in the description box. I will also leave the link there as well too. And I will try to leave a link for both of these bags. Well, for the dark denim, because the patchwork is no longer available. That one is sold out. But I will leave a link to the dark denim Cavo tooled one down in the comments as well too. And guys, if you stuck with me this long and you have not yet already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's absolutely free to you. Also, make sure to like this video and leave a nice comment down below. Let me know if you have any Patricia Nash bags in your collection. And don't forget to share this video. And until the next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day. And I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.